One man stood before a nation and asked a question that revealed their hearts. Israel had turned away from the Lord and followed Baal. The land was dry, the people were confused, and the prophet Elijah stood alone on Mount Carmel.
Is that you, you troubler of Israel?
I have not troubled Israel, but you and your father's house have, because you have forsaken the commandments of the Lord and followed Baal. How long will you halt between two opinions? If the Lord is God, follow him. But if Baal, then follow him. But the people answered him not a word.
Come near to me.
The people came near. Elijah repaired the altar of the Lord that had been broken down. He took 12 stones, according to the 12 tribes of Israel. He prepared the altar. He arranged the wood. He placed the sacrifice upon it. But Elijah did something that made the test even greater.
Fill 4 jars with water and pour it on the burnt sacrifice and on the wood. Do it a second time. Do it a third time.
The water ran around the altar, and the trench was filled with water. And Elijah came with all the people to the mountain of God. My words are not mine alone. They are sent by the one who sent me. Now go and say to this people, keep listening, but do not understand. Keep looking, but do not perceive. And the people, seeing the silence and the fruitless ceasing, became more and more confused and uneasy. Your prophets have cried in vain. They have failed to sway the hearts of the people.
Lord God of Abraham, Isaac, and Israel, let it be known this day that you are God in Israel, and that I am your servant.
Hear me, O Lord, hear me, that this people may know that you are the Lord God, and that you have turned their hearts back again. Then the fire of the Lord fell. It consumed the sacrifice, the wood, the stones, the dust, and even the water in the trench.
Adonai!
That day, the people saw that Baal could not answer, but the Lord answered by fire. The true God had called his people back. The God of Elijah is not powerless. He is not false. He is not silent forever. When hearts turn back to him, it shows that he alone is God.